Okay, this is just a film showing the flying wires and landing wires installed on the Apollo 7 Fokker Eindecker. You can see I had everything shimmed up with stands and frames and used as level. And what I've done now is I have the wires installed. I've just got an output in the warping wires. I've got it's pretty nice how it goes together. The turnbuckles are great. You see the pulley. Anyway, that's it. Now I've got to work on getting the warping wires. They'll go on the bottom and they'll attach down to the bell cranks down at the bottom of the landing gear.